Hello everyone, we're going to start working with perimeter, which is not a difficult concept by itself, but we like to combine it with other concepts to make it a little bit more challenging. There's only about 3 slides actually here, so this should be pretty short. So, perimeter means everything around the outside of a figure. The challenge with rectangles then is to figure out what every side is. Well, we know from a rectangle that if the top is 8 feet, that means the bottom has to be 8 feet. And if we know that this side is 4 feet, that the other side has to be 4 feet. Therefore, then we are going to add up all of the pieces, 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4. And I'm going to have you do this without a calculator. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. And 20 plus 4 is 24. Now, this is important. When you do the perimeter of a figure, you're going to do it in feet, not feet squared. That's only for area. Perimeter is first dimensional measurement because it's just a line around the outside, so it's not a plane or 2D. Now this one's going to be a little bit more difficult because we have a decimal built in, but we can do the same thing, except this time I have to add 6.5 plus 6.5, which becomes 13. So then 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19 inches, but not squared. So for perimeter, you simply add up all of the pieces on the outside, and it's a one-dimensional measurement, so it is not squared. This gets a little bit tougher. We got a couple steps here. These rectangles have the same area. What is the perimeter of the second rectangle? So this one here. So step 1, we got to figure out what the area of these rectangles is. So the area of this rectangle is 20 square feet because base times height. Therefore, this has to also be 20 square feet, which means that the base of this rectangle would have to be 10 feet. Because 10 times 2 would be 20. And now we find the perimeter of this rectangle. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 10 is 14, plus 10 is 24 feet. And that's it. So this is another problem like that. I would like you to do this problem on your own, and then I will finish it. So for this one, the area of this rectangle is 30 meters squared. Therefore, this also has to be 30 meters squared. So the bottom here is 2 times something to equal 30. So this would be 15. So that makes this 15 and this 2. Therefore, it's 30, 32, 34 meters. If you bring in the work for this into class and show me, it's worth a piece of candy. Okay, that's the end of perimeter. There are a couple sections online for you.